Hey, Missybeelondon here, and I'm going to be showing you how I use the Revlon Realistic hair products in my hair. This is a wash day routine hair video. Now you see me using the shampoo in my hair. Look at the consistency. It reminded me like of aloe vera gel, that kind of consistency, very different, but it went into my hair well. Washed my hair well, was very good in my hair. So you just gotta watch me on how I wash my hair. Had to put a little bit more in my hand to the back section of my hair because you saw I put a lot in the front but not much went in the back, so I had to reapply. And now you just see me massaging the scalps, make sure the scalp is removed of all hair, of all dirt and particles that is on your hair, grease, hair products and stuff like that. It cleansed my hair really well, I will say. You know, I wash my hair twice as well because that's just what I do. I feel my hair is more cleaner when I wash my hair twice. And you'll see in this clip I put shampoo in it again and it lathered up and it had more bubbles as well. So my hair is rinsed from the shampoo and now I'm going to use the conditioner in my hair, the Revlon Realistic conditioner, in the same bottle, the same nozzle bottle style. You're gonna see a struggle now. Look, I will say because the product is thick and the hole is small, it is hard work getting the product out from the bottle, and that's why I wrote pump, 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 because I did a lot of pumping just to get it out of the bottle. It's a good conditioner, but I think they should have put it in a tub, not in a bottle. But hey, it's a good product anyway. What I pumped out was enough for my whole big head, so yeah. Yep, now I'm putting it in my hair. I must say, when I shampooed my hair, I saw my hair was curly and the curls was popping and everything. Putting the conditioner in my hair, it made it easy for me to detangle my hair with my hands, which I do most of the time anyway because I find it easier. And then I use my cheap £1 tangle teaser, which I think does the same job anyway, but I don't use it all over my hair because I don't really need to. It's already detangled with my hands, but I'm just like to add this in that to use the tangle teaser in my hair, even though my hair is short, but I'll still use it because I want to and because I can. So yep, still just making sure the product, the conditioner, is on the ends of my hair as well. I left this in for like up to half an hour. I put it this way, I watched a TV show, had something to eat with it on my head and then washed it out afterwards. And I just put a plastic carrier bag on my head to keep in all the goodness from the conditioner, and then I put a hat on my head to keep my head warm as well. So that is what I did. I know the blue, I like blue though. Blue's a nice color. That's the hat I put on my head. And now I'm taking this off after half an hour. It's absorbed well into my hair, as you can see. I'm just like putting my hands through my hair. Yeah, you can see the color in my hair more. You know, when I dyed my hair like a month ago or so, I think because I'm filming in my sitting room now and it's a white wall, so you can pick up more, or you can notice more. Like you can see my black hair is not black. So yeah, so I rinsed out the conditioner and I'm using the buttercream in my hair. It's a good consistency. Yeah, it was a good product. Yeah, I enjoyed using this in my hair. It wasn't too greasy. I had fun with this. Absorbed well in my hair. My hair is doing well. I did this video last week. I'm doing the voiceover a week later. So yeah, my hair is still on my head. No adverse reactions, nothing like that. So yeah, just putting the, well, making sure the product is on the roots of my hair as well. I didn't really use too much, or did I? But oh well. Now I'm using the curling custard in my hair to do the, it was supposed to be twists, yeah, but then I turned them out to be flat twists, so small sections well, small-ish sections of flat twists, because I thought it will keep the curling pattern going, so to say, and it'd be more divine, and it'd be more defined, and it was, because you're gonna see the results in the following video, because I couldn't add it into this video. I must admit, I tried to do this video once and I had issues editing, so I had to re-edit this video. So hopefully, I know some bits are fast and some bits are slow, but it's just the way it is, because videos can only be 15 minutes on my iPad. So yeah, now you see me doing the flat twist. You saw me put a little bit of the curling custard on my tips of my hand, and I ran it through the strands of my hand, and I just did the flat twist on this section. Don't worry about the product on the twist, it will absorb in. Yeah, there was no flakes. Using this, I had no flakes and no whiteness, no issues like that, so thank goodness for that. But yeah, I'm just watching as well. Yeah, you see, I put a little bit on my hand and then I run it through the strands of that section of hair. How many times? Because I've learned, well, I was told you got to do that many times to make sure it penetrates from the root to tip. And look at the curls that pop after that. Look at that, look at that. Yes, it makes my hair look short, but I got a curl pattern in my hair. So I'm doing the flat twist in this section as well. Don't worry, this is not the full flat twist tutorial video, because I thought, you know what, I didn't really need to do the full. And plus I take long doing my hair on camera, which I've noticed, and I had this comb and it delayed me a little bit more, which I've noticed as well. So you know, when it comes to these kind of things, I'm using my hands, because the comb delays me, because it makes me want to get the line straight, even though it's not necessary to get the line straight, but it's just because I've got the comb, I need to get the line straight. And you see me there fluffing about trying to get this line straight, and yeah. Yep, it's only flat twist, it's not a style that I'm probably gonna have out. I was wearing a head wrap for the 2 days. I had a flat twist in my head, yeah, so that was me. Or if not, I would wear a wig, have a wig cap on and have the wig on top. Simple, that's it. Or stocking cap, not wig cap, stocking cap on. Simple. I kept this flat twist in for 2 days, and yes, I will say the curls came out good. Good. I think it's the best flat twist I've had so far, but I think it's because as you see, my braiding or twisting or flat twist pattern is different to how I usually do it as well. So yeah, and I've got to try out they've got a twisting custard as well. Revlon Realistic has twisting custard. They got a curling custard and twisting pudding. I used the curling custard, and I'm going to use the twisting pudding to do the flat twist again to see which one comes out better. Both of them confuse me with the pudding and the custard, but yeah, let's see which is better. So that is the end of my flat twist. That's how the results is. Thank you for watching. Hope you can stick around to see the next video of the results and my review on using these products. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, press the bell. Thank you for returning, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.